Thames Water provides life's essential service for millions of people. Every year, we deliver 900 billion litres of top-quality tap water and treat 1.8 trillion litres of wastewater. We maintain a complex network of nearly 87,000 miles of water and sewer pipes, as well as 354 treatment works. And we're planning ahead to secure this service for generations to come. It's been a challenging few years, but behind the scenes, we've made some important progress to improve our service for you and take better care of the world around us. Just this year, the 7-kilometre Lee Tunnel was connected to London's biggest ever super sewer, the Thames Tideway Tunnel. Alongside improvements to some of our London treatment works, the 2 super sewers can now reduce sewage overflows into the tidal Thames by 95% and help clean up our capital's rivers. Since 2020, we've invested over £7 billion across our region to upgrade our network, replaced 150,000 ageing water pipes, cleared 350,000 sewer blockages, launched the UK's first live sewage discharge map, hit over 1 million smart meters installed, created 17 acres of new wetlands so our wildlife can thrive, self-generated nearly a quarter of our own energy with poo power, and provided over £260 million in financial support for those who need it most. None of this happens without our people, engineers solving challenges, customer care teams offering a helping hand, and dedicated frontline teams keeping taps flowing and toilets flushing. We're privileged to be part of the communities we serve. And for the next 5 years, we have bold plans. We'll keep providing life's essential service today while securing a sustainable water supply for tomorrow, strengthening resilience, creating jobs, driving innovation, advancing sustainability. Together, we'll build a future where world-class water flows, innovation thrives, and every drop counts.